Dive into the digital landscape with a tool designed to supercharge your online visibility. Introducing the Google Instant Indexing Pro plugin for nopCommerce. This isn't just your standard plugin, it's a game changer. Imagine having the power to manage URL removal, enhanced logging, and customizable indexing frequency. Yes, all at your fingertips. It's user-friendly, efficient, and most importantly, it gives you control. But that's not all. By upgrading to the Pro version, you're not just boosting your visibility, you're attracting organic traffic and gaining a competitive edge in the e-commerce landscape. So why wait? Step into the future of online management with the Google Instant Indexing Pro plugin. This is your ticket to a stronger, more efficient online presence. Your journey to digital dominance starts now. Make the smart move, elevate your e-commerce game today. Now let's talk numbers. The Google Instant Indexing Pro plugin is budget-friendly and priced at a competitive $39. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in your digital growth. Picture this. For less than the cost of a dinner date, you're securing a tool that can significantly enhance your online visibility, attract organic traffic, and give you that much-needed edge in the e-commerce landscape. It's not just about boosting your visibility, it's about driving results. So don't let this opportunity slip by. Make the smart move today. Invest in your future. Invest in Google Instant Indexing Pro plugin.